It rains when I go to work. It rains when I come home. Rain, fuck off! Oh man, this is really coming down. It's so heavy that I'm actually cold from it. Feels like I'm not wearing any waterproofs because it's so cold. Look, people driving with no lights on. Turn your fucking lights on. Sensible love. Got off the road. Wish I could. Right on the pavement. But he's wishing he had rain gear, even though he's got that sort of hood. That's it. Wet bollocks. Oh my god, it's fucking freezing! I don't know if you guys have ever ridden. I'm in fairly decent rain gear, but it's a bit old now, so the waterproofing's kind of gone. And it's not that's doing me in at the moment, it's the rain is freezing cold. I'm actually shivering like mad. This is like a flash flood sort of rain. It's all come down in the last 5 minutes. Less than that actually. And my visor's leaking. Shit's in grates. Jesus. Don't stop, you bastards. It's too cold. Oh my god, it is cold. It's like someone's got the ice bucket challenge on me. Don't fucking stop. Come on guys, you're in great big cars. It's ridiculous, isn't it? This is like 5 minutes from where the flood was. A flash flood. Sunshine. It is dusk, but there is sunshine. Not a sign of rain anywhere. Everybody's looking at me like I've just been for a car wash.